Ray, and welcome to my channel. On this channel you can find pre-med and lifestyle related content. This video is just going to be like a couple days of my life as a college student. I'm a second year pre-med I'm a second year pre-med undergrad student. I'm majoring in biology, minor in chemistry on the pre-med track. So if you want to see what my days look like, then stay tuned. Today I had an organic chemistry quiz that I did absolutely terrible on, but it's okay because we're going to take that L and we're going to keep moving. I have a dentist appointment. I have to leave in like 10 minutes, but I wanted to just film the intro first. So I'm going to go to my dentist appointment, and then I have tutoring right after. Hopefully I can make it still, and then after that I'm staying in the room for the rest of the day because I need to have a mental reset. It's not even a reset day, a reset evening, because this weekend has been horrid. I haven't done any schoolwork. Okay, I'm behind in schoolwork, let's just say that. So I have a lot of schoolwork to catch up on. I have to do laundry. My room is a complete mess. So that's what we're doing today. And then I'm gonna like make my grocery list. Right now I'm about to just get ready to go brush my teeth again, because you don't want to go to the dentist with food in your teeth. If you are subscribed to me, I haven't done a video in like 6 months, but I'm here to stay now. Like, I really am, because I always enjoy making content, but it's like I always stop because I'm like, is this even good enough, or like will people want to watch it? But I'm done thinking about it and I'm just gonna start doing it. Plus I have a new camera now, so if you see me looking up at myself, it's because I'm not used to it. Like, am I supposed to look at myself or am I supposed to look at the camera? We'll see how it looks when I play it back. I know you want to romanticize your life, but I'm gonna show y'all what it's like. Like, every day you're not going to be motivated, you're not going to be productive. Last week I wasn't productive the whole week, but today is Monday and I'm back in better. I'm pretty nervous to vlog in public. This is my first time like have an actual camera. I'm going to be taking an actual camera outside and putting it in my face in front of everybody, but I'm working on not caring about what people think, so we're going to do it anyways, and we're going to be confident with it. Let's turn the light on. I'm really going to the dentist to see if I can get braces again. But the last time I had braces for like 3 years. And I got them taken off like 2 years ago. And then I lost my retainer my first semester of college. And my teeth shifted back a little bit. So we're going to see if they're going to give me a new retainer and it'll make my teeth go back straight, or if I just need braces again. So I'm about to go to the car now. So cold outside. Like, literally 2 days ago it was freaking like 70-80 degrees in November. Like, I kid you not, it was hot outside. And now today it's like 30 degrees. I had to pull out a coat. Alright, I hope nobody saw that. Alright. This is my car. Her name is Midnight. She's super cute. God, boy. At my dentist appointment, I thought braces would be free again, but they're not. They're $1,800, but that's really not even a lot of money, to be honest. Like, I could just save up for that and then do like a big down payment or something. But yeah, I hope my lips not crusty because it's cold out here. I didn't even show y'all my outfit. This is my outfit today. And then I'm only gonna get bottom braces because the top, to get top and bottom would have been like $3,000, and I don't have Hey guys, so I'm back 2 hours later. I just woke up from a nap. I have no idea how I had so much energy earlier because I literally woke up at 6 o'clock this morning to study for my Orgo quiz, and then I just had so much energy. So when I got back from tutoring, I ate Panda. I still sound tired, but when I got back from tutoring, I ate Panda, and then I went to sleep for an hour, and I have so much work to do, so no more slacking. It's 6 o'clock now. And mommy don't know that it's... Oh, I'm recording. Okay, I have my list of stuff that I want to talk about. So first off, my YouTube channel 2 years ago makes me cringe so bad. Like, it just makes me cringe so bad. I don't even want to watch those videos, and I don't want to delete them because people say don't delete YouTube videos, but like, I'm trying to create a whole new like aesthetic and like image of myself, you know. Like, I just feel like I'm a whole different person, so it's like the editing, the thumbnails, like they're just not giving. If you're a pre-med, you should subscribe to me automatically, because especially being a pre-med and being a person who wants to be a doctor and being a person of color is like, it seems impossible. Like, I'm not gonna lie, because it's like, it's just like all odds are against you, especially like with the course load, with the majority of people who don't look like you. It just seems so hard. Like, sometimes you just want to give up. So like, if you're a pre-med, come join me on my journey and we can do this together. So some ideas that I have, I want to do, it's either going to be I'm going to do a pre-med series where I just do like day in the life of a college student, or like do pre-med advice. I have like these pre-med book application tips, study tips, whatever. It's just a whole bunch of stuff. So like, maybe like I could do like a book club series where like I will like do a chapter of the book and it'll have like tips for everyone. So if you're a pre-med, just watch the video. Ooh, I could do like weekly ones, so you just watch the video. Let me get the books real quick. My desktop is set up on the books, so I'm not messing with that right now. But do you guys see what I'm saying? Just say you know what I'm saying. So I want to do college days in the life, lifestyle videos. I want to do cook with me videos because I get food stamps and we be eating good over here, and I'm just now starting to cook and it's really fun. I've made like spaghetti, I've made like some type of Hispanic chicken meal that I saw on TikTok. I made baked chicken, breakfast. I want to start a business called Chic Med. It's going to be a healthcare apparel business where I'm going to have a scrub line and like hoodies, any type of apparel. I haven't thought that far yet, but, or like shirts that say like doctor, dentist, pre-med, student. Just I have to like get all the ideas together, but that's what I want to do. My main focus is going to be starting off with the scrubs. Yeah, and then I want to have pre-med journals. So like, pre-meds have a lot of stuff that they need for med school applications, like volunteer hours, clinical hours, letters of recommendation, your extracurricular activities. So I want to make journals where you can put all that stuff in one place, and then when it's time to apply for med schools, everything will be in one spot. So, and this will have like MCAT advice section. So I'm going to have the Small Business Diaries series on YouTube. One video is going to be like start my small business with me, and I'm going to do like branding, making my logo, all that stuff. Then like writing a business plan, and then creating the design, So if you want to see these videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right. Okay, one more thing I wanted to do before I start cleaning. I wanted to look at the stuff that came with my camera. Let me show you guys the camera. I'm about to take a video.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me, so cheap.
So a deluxe photo kit. It came with this little tripod. I was using it earlier. I've been wanting a camera for forever, so one day I just decided it's people out here making money by vlogging their life. Like, it's people out here making bank from posting TikTok. So why am I not hopping on this wave? Why am I not getting to this money? So I said, let me buy this camera real quick. Let me get my shit together, and let me make this money.
Flex OD, sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Blew the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
I'm really like a clean, messy person. Like, I swear I clean my room like 3 times a week. And then when I'm like rushing and stuff, that's how it gets dirty again. I'm gonna try to stop that. But yeah.
Little baby in a bag in a Birkin. No 9 to 5, put your work in. Cause and down, I love them all. To me, a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. For real, give you my last name. can you get above me? Getting emotional. Getting emotional. Getting instinct between us. What's the disconnection? Give me something else, or maybe she can do it better. I guess choose peace over stress. Can't clean up your mess. You wanna be my guest. Pushing my pride and you gon' get me started. Don't be aggressive, I'm just being honest. Too much. Hey, this is all too much.
I'm just about to make my grocery list for tomorrow. I look tired. Y'all, I literally have to leave in like 3 minutes. I was supposed to wake up at 8 today, 8:30 to be productive, but somehow I didn't wake up until 10. But I don't have class until 11, so it's okay. But I kept telling Alexa 20 more minutes, and then it was 10 o'clock. Today is supposed to be really cold. Gosh, really cold and rainy. So I look like a tomboy. I just have some baggy sweatpants on. Don't make fun of how I do this because
I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around, no. Cause you just wanna play with my heart, I see you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody, want you waste my time, but I don't wait too long, so I'm out. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you. I guess I'm on for you, baby. We'll call it what you want. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you, oh. I guess I'm on for you, baby. So call me what you want. Think I ain't you, boy, you funny. Got my own money, so I'ma show you. Ay, you swear that I'll be only money, so I'ma show you. Think I ain't you, boy, you funny. Got my own money, so I'ma show you. Ay, you swear that I'll be only. Guess you don't know me, guess you don't know. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you. I guess I'm on for you, baby. We'll call it what you want. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you, oh. I guess I'm on for you, baby. So call me what you want. I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around, no. Cause you just wanna play with my heart, I see you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody, want you waste my time, but I don't wait too long, so I'm out. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you. I guess I'm on for you, baby. We'll call it what you want. I guess
I don't know, like I always end up running late for some reason. Like I was supposed to wake up at 8:30 and get myself together, take out my boxes that I had in the kitchen, finish folding my clothes, and now I did nothing and I'm rushing to class. I'm so tired, y'all, but I'm about to start speed walking to class, so I will see y'all after class in the library.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Millie point two just to hurt you. All red lamps to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Game bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. So empty, need a centerpiece. 20 rocks a table cut from ebony. That average to skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face and I love my babe. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, to Kenny Lane. I switch on my core, but kill any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day nigga try to test me. Every day nigga try to hand me. Pull up from the road to the SV. Pockets overweight and hefty. Coming from the king, it's a far cry. I put my life in the part-time. The competition, I don't really listen. I'm in the blue, no song from a new edition. So empty, need a centerpiece. 20 rocks a table top from ebony. That average to skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face and I love my.
Y'all, it is so cold and rainy outside. I just came from lab. I was about to be so hurt because usually I get my groceries off Amazon Fresh, and they say they didn't have any deliveries for today, so I have to go pick them up. So I'm about to go back to my dorm so I can get some grocery bags, and then I'm gonna go pick up the groceries.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch my side, to Kenny Lane. Switch my core, I kill any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need it now. I'ma try to get this one time. Want you to be mine. Can I see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need it now. I'ma try to get this one time. Want you to be mine. Can I see
sorry. Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need it now.
I wanna start with your mom and she should've whipped your ass. Girl, you ain't shit, but she don't care 'cause you lit. Paying for trips, cars, bags. And bought the crib. She never call you out. She like the way that you live. But that's some foul shit. She wasn't around, man. You ain't had no money. That's why I find it funny. I guess that guilt hit hard. Being gone for so long. That's why she makes excuses for all your wrongs. Now what's the point in keep on having kids if she just gonna be raising them? That's just pure laziness. I don't get it, is you tryna keep up with Doug? You raising him crazy how you really think that shit's cute. Be embracing it, oh. It really don't get no worse than you. You ain't even got the nerve to stand up by your word. Oh no, 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 oh no, 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 What was you telling them? What was you telling me? What was you telling them? And what was you telling me? Why would you do all that? Just to be selling me. Ain't even pulling through. You just be talking. Damn, I ain't no nigga be out here trying to trap bitches. Never took me nowhere lavish. She seen Drake hop on the track with it. If you asked me, you was acting. Whole time just acting. You ain't give a fuck about me. You was just trying to cash it. Only buy me nice shit. Big days just for Instagram flashing. Trying to get your likes up. Know you a cloud addict. Gotta let niggas know that you have it. Gotta let niggas know that you have it. And all you be doing is bragging. Telling people that I'm your queen. But all you mean is just a R&B. I know you ain't care, but you always gone. How could you make me spend my whole fucking pregnancy alone? And where would you at? 'Cause you claim you at work. But them other niggas said they made the beats, so hard to add up. Probably was with your baby mamas, went to 3. Claim that you had a ring. You was probably your fucking hoes. What was you telling them? What was you telling me? What was you telling them? And what was you telling me? Why would you do all that? Just to be selling me. Ain't even pulling through.
My camera talking about no space on the card. I've been using that thing for 2 days. Like, what? But I'm gonna have to try it. Okay, so I had to come back up here and say this. It's a Wednesday night at 12:45 a.m. and I have been stressing about this lab poster assignment all day long, literally all day. And let me tell you what I just found out. It's not due until December 5th. So this whole day, I was sitting here stressing. Like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what I'm doing. How am I supposed to do this? Presentation due tomorrow morning. And it's not even due till December. What? So I literally wasted a whole day because I already have so much work to do. And I wasted my whole day doing the poster. Trying to do the poster at least. And it's not even due. But that ends this college vlog. So if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to see more. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with